Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend on Spotify. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The blend feature on Spotify allows you to create a playlist that combines your favorite songs with those of a friend. So in order to do that, tap open your Spotify application and make sure that you're logged in first. Go to the search option at the bottom of the page and give it a tap. In the Browse All section, tap on Made for You. Click on the plus icon. Inside the label, create a blend. Give it a tap, and on the next page, you'll have to invite a friend to share the playlist with you. Tap on Invite and add a friend that you'd like to invite. Once you send the link to your friend will have to open it on their own phone and tap Join option that appears. Remember that both the user, that is you, and your friend will need a Spotify account to make a blend playlist. Your playlist will appear right away, along with a slideshow that tells how similar your music tastes are between you and your friends. That way you'll be able to blend you and your friends' music together on Spotify. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.